Room 73 on the 6th floor is a king accessible room. So as you walk in, you've got a nice clean smell. One thing I noticed there is the sound. It was loud outside the room, it immediately stopped. Underneath here we have a socket with USB ports. Lovely marble floor, and then various switches on the left. Let's check out the bathroom. Just before we show you the bathroom, it's completely flat access from the carpet into the room, no lips or bumps. And the same into the bathroom. It has a sliding door that is quite wide, and then the shower is very large. Ample room to move around. There's the shower with the dials, grab bars right there, and there is a non-slip mat, and then we've got Joe Love's toiletries in here. We've got mats for the sinks and the toilet. The toilet did open to greet me, and it is a Japanese toilet, so it will clean you out. If you fall on the floor, there's an emergency bell on the floor right there, along with a sanitary bag on the ledge, and I call this the phone ledge. When you're playing your phone on the toilet, you're finished, ready to wipe, goes on there. Toilet roll, there's a trash can down there, and a nice bit of artwork. For swing here, we've got shaving mirror and light. Lots of mirrors in this room with backlights. We've got cups, mouthwash, soap, a loofah, face cloths, and then we've got a dental kit, a hairbrush, a nail kit, a styling comb, and that is repeated over here with the addition of a shower cap and a retainer box. There's also cotton buds, cotton pads, and body lotion with a tissue box, more soap, more mouthwash, and then there's the sink. The toilet just said goodbye. Grab bars, and this one does lift. Another bin, skills, hi. Another 3 bins in this, or trash cans, in this room, along with gaps in the floor for where the water can drain away. Back out into the main room. Love this wood and this floor. I'm not sure if this is a renovated room, but all the rooms are getting renovated, or have been. The wardrobe, they already brought our luggage up for us, but you've got hangers. Is this for exercise, like monkey bars or something? More pillows up here, and then down here, let's have a look at what we've got in these drawers. So in this drawer, we've got a hairdryer is in here, and it is a Dyson, and a laundry bag. There is a sewing kit hiding in there as well. In this big drawer, we have a leather clad safe, next drawer down is empty, and then we have slippers and a shoe bag down there, male and female slippers. If we close this, we've got another door which has the robes, which are so soft. An ironing board, a fire extinguisher. That's for during the night when you get frisky and you need to put your wife out. Umbrellas, shoehorn, big one, and a brush. And then you've got into the bedroom part of the room, moved from marble to carpet. Lots of space here. You see we've parked the wheelchair there. There's the luggage storage. You've got aircon controls and light controls on the wall right here, along with some artwork. And then we've got bedside table which has a clock, wireless charging, phone, lamp. Lots of information going on here. Phone directory. We've got a USB-C and old style USB along with the lights and aircon controls and all of that there as well. And a big drawer with a charging cable in it. You don't even need to bring your own. The bed is very big, along with the chair at the end. Really like the headboard, really impressive. If we swing round, we've got a light on both sides of the TV. The biggest TV you've ever seen in a hotel room. Absolutely humongous. Is this anything? No. We've got an espresso, hot water, lots of complimentary water there. What's in here? Oh, the bar menu, okay. The mini bar is chargeable, but tea, coffee, milk and water are complimentary. Everything else you do have to pay for. It's a non-smoking room. We've got more sockets here and more drawers here. So in here we've got all the glassware along with the wine. We've got the snacks and noodles. We have the tea. What tea do we have? We've got French Earl Grey, Emperor Sencha, Jasmine Queen, and Imperial Oolong. Did I miss some snacks in here? Yes, I did. There's another snack drawer if you want that. Bottom drawer here is more tea. We've got White Sky tea, Yunnan tea, Singapore breakfast tea, and Gen Matcha tea, along with a really nice teapot set. In this drawer we've got more teas. Earl Grey, Oolong, breakfast and chamomile, along with the pods. There are truffles, little sugars, and everything you could possibly need. This room is very well equipped. And then you've got the minibar with cold water and beers and other things in there. So much to show you in this room. With compliments, we have some boiled sweets, recycling bin, and then another part of the minibar, and this one is for the cocktail. So you get a Singapore Sling, an old fashioned, and a Negroni. Ice bucket. Wonder where you get the ice from. They'll probably bring it if you ring and ask. Then you've got all the bits and pieces that go with the cocktails and the cocktail shakers. Ooh. You've then got a table with 2 chairs, and then the bedside table on this side, which has the same controls as the other side, minus the aircon, so you can control the lights, the blinds and things from here. Remote control, Bang & Olufsen speaker, and then somewhere to store your bits and pieces. Little table here, which has plugs and sockets. And then you've got a balcony. Let's check out the balcony. Nice, big and spacious, with a view of the Supertrees.